What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're taking a look at Tamiya's Nissan Fairlady 240Z. So let's go in the box, what's in the box, open up and see what comes inside and take more detail later on. Alrighty, so first things first, we're going to get the decals, and you get your nice typical decals, nice Tamiya high quality, couple of license plate options, emblems, you do have your gauge clusters, couple of warning emblems for under your hood, really nice. And you do have metal transfer decals as well, which is super high quality and really nice to have. Makes it a lot more realistic than just having the decals. Okay, you are getting some actual head gasket parts, or actually like for your head, which is really cool for your these are actually metal, which is really nice for your engine. Nicely detailed, and it's going to spice up the engine a lot more. Then of course you do have your poly caps. We're going to get some tires. These are nice thick tires. They are name branded, and you have your tread and tire size down there, and there's your tread pattern. Really nice, and they're nice and soft and squishy, and these are actual rubber tires, so when you do open it, you do get that fresh puff of rubber tires. Really cool. Okay, so first tree, this kit does come with a fully detailed engine, so you are getting your entire engine detail. So this tree is mainly your engine, which is silver, which you don't have to paint some of it, you don't want to, but here's your engine halves. Really nice detail, of course, by Tamiya, and all this is just going to snap together because it's typical Tamiya. Everything's just going to click together, and it's just amazing detail. Okay, we got some chrome trees. Here's one of your chrome trees. Body parts, bumpers. Okay, do have a second chrome tree which has your tail lights, I believe. Headlights. And then you are getting a separate tree for your window trim, which is actually really nice. It's a good plus, so you don't have to deal with the bare metal foil. And this is not the shiny chrome. This is kind of like a dull kind of chrome. I mean, it is still chrome, you can really see your reflection, but it's completely different from your actual generic chrome that is in the kit, as you can see here. So really cool to include that, because I know there's a lot of people out there who do not like bare metal foil, and this just saves you a lot of time. Of course, your back windows, your side windows, and your windshield. Really nice. Speaking of windows, we're going to get those right now. So you have your side windows in one big piece, not too big a deal. It actually makes it nice. And you get your indicator lights. There's your back window with hazing for your heat back there. Here's your tail lights. The headlight lens, more indicators, and then there's your main windshield. Oh wait, back to the white mold of trees. So you are having your fenders separate, so you can paint these black or whatever you desire. Here's your exhaust. Suspension, venting. Looks like you have your wheels, part of your wheels. So it looks like a two-piece wheel, and there's your main wheels. There is your left-hand drive dashboard. Radio separate, a lot of parts are separate on the radio and on the dashboard. Really nice, plus you have your vents separate as well. Firewall, wipers, more interior components, and there's your what's like intake for your engine, and then there's your front bumper. Really nice. Okay, the last molded tree. Looks like your trunk or hatchback. Your hood. Brakes, it looks like. Really nice brakes. Looks like, I'm not real sure that is. Could be your radio. There is your chassis. Everything is molded separate, which is really, really nice. And then you do have your engine detail, or engine bay detail on that. And then your interior. Second firewall, because your brake boosters on this side, so this is going to be your right hand drive, I'm assuming. Then your seats, seat backs, then it looks like your steering wheel, really nice. Then the last tree, I guess your interior is molded in a different bay. Okay, so you do have your interior bucket right there. I thought it was on your chassis, but very cool. And there's your tail light assembly, more chassis components. You do have another exhaust, so I got seen one's a custom exhaust, one's a stock. More chassis components, more springs. Here's your steering. Other side wipers. These look like your right hand drive wipers. There's your axle, pedals, center console. There's your radio, battery, bracing for your suspension. There is your right hand drive dashboard. Door panels. Center steering column, sway bars. So very nice. And the last component is going to be your main body. As you can tell, your front, or actually no, yeah, your front bumper is the only part that is molded separate. Of course, your hood and your hatchback, and you get your tail light assembly in that black tree. Really nice. This is really thin. This A-pillar is really thin, so make sure you take care of that. But really nice detail. You even have your gas cap or gas door separate too. That's really, really cool. Really nice detail. Tail lines are actually not that bad. I was scribing out just to make sure, but they're actually not too bad. I've seen worse. And the cleanup on the mold lines, you do have a mold line coming down here. It's really hard to see it. There you go, you can kind of see it right there. It's usually on both sides. And then your fender, you do have a fender mold line right there coming down and shooting towards the front. So not too bad on the mold lines, just a little bit of cleanup. But very nice. Really nice kit from Tamiya. And obviously, typical Tamiya doesn't go together super well. So after taking a really good look at this kit, guys, it's an amazing kit. Tamiya outdone themselves with this kit. I know this one's gonna be very popular. I know there's some online shops out there that are already out of stock because people are buying them left and right. This is going to be one of the most popular kits from Tamiya, and Tamiya is releasing a lot of amazing kits. Not only just releasing new kits, but they're reissuing some older kits. And Tamiya is they're doing a lot this year in 2024. It's amazing. And I think this kit is going to be one of those kits that's going to be kind of hard to keep on shelves. So if you can get one, go ahead and snag it, because your hobby shop or the online hobby shop won't keep it in stock very long, because people just want to snag these kits left and right. But other than that, it's typical Tamiya. It's going to go together super well. Everything's going to step together, and detail on these parts are absolutely amazing. Typical Tamiya, and it's just going to be an amazing kit. So get one if you can. I'm not gonna leave a link in the description, because that link might be out of stock. Who knows? So just go on Google, search around, and see if you can get one. If you get one, snag it. But other than that, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and yes, this kit is absolutely worth it. And yeah, we'll catch you guys next time.